Welcome along, I'm Richard Butler. I like to review software and tell you the truth, whether it's really good or not. And today I'm reviewing Blip.ai, a new software that's on AppSumo. You'll find the link in the description. Make sure that you comment, make sure that you like this channel, etc. Now, Blip.ai, apparently what it does is it is a dictation tool that you can use in any app. Okay, so this is different to something like Heady or Letterly. You'll see links to those videos in the comments. Because what it does is it will dictate whatever you say. It will clean up the text that you dictate, getting rid of the filler words, the ums and the ahs, etc. And apparently it'll do a lot more. So I'm just going to activate this. So if I go into my screen here, you're going to see me activate it because I like to activate and you can see all of the challenges that I may have. So I click on activate now. It says activate now. It says make sure you're logged out. Well, I'm logged out. I don't have any accounts with them. I click on allow to read my information. And it says this is sign in this license. Okay, I'm going to say sign up. I'm going to use my email here. I'm not going to sign up with Google because that caused me problems in a previous one. And I'm just going to put in I'm going to put in a password here. Okay, password requirements. Let me see. I'm going to have to put in this, and I'll put in this, and let's have a look. So check your email to confirm your account. So I'm just going to do that. I'm going to check my email and I'm going to confirm my account here. So the idea here is that what's going to happen is I'm going to download a piece of software, I believe, and it is actually going to allow me then to have this functionality. Confirmation failed. Okay, so not good. Okay, so let me just confirm that on the other screen. Confirmation failed. Okay, so that's not too good, really, is it? That the confirmation has failed. So let me just see if I can sign in here. This is why I like to do these things live, so that you can see what happens. It's continued. Okay. But let me see. Does this actually have my AppSumo plan? Okay, so if I go in here, use cases, dashboard, 200,000. No, Pro plan. Here we go. Okay, so download the app, it says. I'm going to download it for macOS. That's downloading by the looks of it. I'm going to install this once it downloads. And once I have this installed, I'm going to show you the setup process. So let me just stop my share there. And let me just run this blip so that you can see exactly how it works. So blip.ai. That should it's just coming up here, and let me just share my screen again. Welcome to Blip, and it says that I must continue with Google. So it brings me back to the online version. So maybe you don't see my screen now. You might just see the same screen. Let me sign in. Okay, allow. Okay, so now you should see authentication. Okay, so I have to go in here and I have to allow a lot of the settings here, which is fine. Okay, this is on Mac. It says use password. Okay, let me just do that. It should find that that's granted. Allow it to use my microphone. Okay, continue. Everything stays local. Continued. Speak to test your microphone. Okay, yes, continue. And I have to have a function key. So I'm going to use bum bum bum. I'm going to use this one here. Hold the function key down. I mostly heard the background noise. Okay, so press the function key at the bottom of your keyboard to release. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, by the looks of it, that worked. Read aloud. Okay, so here. My shopping list, bananas, oat milk, dark chocolate. Okay, perfect. Uh, so here I'm going to do another note. Hey Blip, write an email to my boss requesting to reschedule our meeting to next week. Okay, so it comes up with that. You're all set. Push to talk. Okay, hold the function key, and then that should be it. Okay, so let me just get started here, and let me just go back into the tool here so you can see what it says. Okay, so it says 351 words per minute, dictation speed, 77 words dictated. Okay, refer friends, action mode. Okay, so here what I can do is I can ask it to do something. Hey Blip, write a review of an AppSumo software, create a template. Okay, highly customized framework. Okay, interesting. Um, Write a follow-up email to one of my clients saying that I can't have a coaching session with them today. It should be friendly but professional. Okay, so obviously uh, this is literally just copying what I said. So let me go in. I'm just going to go into my notes here and see if I can do something. So, hey Blip, write a follow-up email to my coaching client John to say that I can't make the class today. It should be fun and informal. Uh, okay, let me just copy this in here and you'll see what it looks like. Okay, that's okay. Create a document to tell people about Blip.ai. Hmm. Okay, so depending what you do, let me just try something else. Hey Blip, create a outline of a document telling people about AI dictation tools. Hmm. So I just said create a document to tell people about Blip AI tools, and it produces something like this. Okay, now I produced it really, really quickly. Okay, personal message, casual. Okay, work messages, more formal. Okay, emails. Okay, so let me just go into my email here and let me just check that. Now remember, this is an AppSumo deal. It's live at the moment. You can get it for a one-time payment. And so far it looks, I mean, it looks quite interesting. So I'm just going to show you here. I'm going to see if I can get it to write an email. Of course, this is just video one of probably at least two videos. So let's have a look. Hey Blip, write an email to my client Jose telling him that the coaching notes have now been uploaded to the portal and that he can give me a call if he has any requirements. Okay, so hi, I say I want to let you know that coaching notes have not been able to review them at your convenience. Okay, I mean, it's not bad. Okay, it's not bad at all. Hey, Blip, write a LinkedIn post describing the return to work issue that people have. Okay, it's not bad. Uh, hey, Blip, write a direct message to my lead who said that they would be interested in having some coaching with me. It should be short and concise. Okay. I mean, it looks pretty interesting. So the idea is that rather than having to type long sentences, you can actually just do little messages like that. I just want to try something because I don't know if you have to say blip each time. Write an email to my client. Okay, that didn't work. Write an email to my client saying that uh, I no longer want to work with them. Hey, Blip, write an email to my client saying I no longer want to work with them. Okay, so you must say the hey Blip, otherwise it doesn't actually understand. Otherwise it just transcribes exactly. Let me see if I can do this. Hey Blip, create a coaching worksheet regarding how to communicate more clearly in English. Now, I mean, that's pretty good and it's pretty quick. If I go back to my Blip dashboard, let's see what it says. So this is my Blip dashboard. Okay, this is recent transcripts. Okay, action mode. Okay, dictionary shortcuts, style, settings. Okay, English. Yeah. Okay, home. Now, where was the idea here? Okay, 550 words per minute, average dictation speed, 29 minutes saved. Okay, it says if you're charging 15 quid an hour, that's how much you would have done. Okay, so initially, I have to say, Blip seems to do what it should do, and it does it pretty good. So I'll continue to use Blip in my everyday work to see how it works, and then I will let you know how good I think it actually is and whether I mean I think for 49 bucks it's definitely worth buying. So if you want to buy it, there is a link in the description. Talk to you very soon. Bye now.